everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. In this lecture, we will discuss the topic string in Python. Basically, string is a group of characters enclosed in single quote, double quote, or triple quotation. String in Python are immutable and it is declared or assigned by a simple variable name equal to any string name in double quotation or single quotation. For example, name equal to knowledge 24. Each character in string has a unique index and Python provides two type of indexing, positive indexing and negative indexing. Positive indexing also called forward direction because it is start from the left hand side and go to the right hand side. So it is begin with 0 to n minus 1. Here n is the length of a string. Then second is negative indexing and it is also called backward direction because it is start from right hand side and go to the left hand side. So it start with minus 1 to minus n. For example, name equal to knowledge 24. So the indexing will done by using positive indexing. So it will start from 0 to 10 and then second is negative indexing, then it will start from minus 1 to minus 11. So here the length of the string is 11. Now any string can be print by using the print function. In this we can pass the variable name as well as we can also pass the string directly and it will display the result. Suppose we want to print the single character using the index, then we have to use the indexing like print a and then in square bracket we use the indexing. So here we are using 1, so the output will be a. And if we want to print the length of the string, then we use len function and in this we will pass any string or any variable, then it will gives the length of the string. Now for string we can use many type of operators. In this firstly we use the concatenation operator. For this we use the plus sign, but we use plus sign with the string. So it will add the second string to the first string and it is different from the addition because in addition we use two integer numbers. Then second is the replication operator and for this we use the star sign and it will create a new string that is number of repetition of input string. So we use the string in double quotation and we use the number of repetition simply as an integer number. Then it will display the result as a repetition. For example, 2 into good, then good will repeat it 2 times. So it is different from the multiplication of integer numbers. Now next are string membership operator. For this we use two operators, in operator and not in operator. In operator is return true if a character or substring exists in the string. For example, choco is exist in choco cake or not. So it is exists, so the result will be true. Then second is not in operator. It is just opposite of in operator. For example, C not in choco. So false. Let's see the demonstration of string. For example, name equal to knowledge 24. Firstly, print the name, then it will produce knowledge 24 as a result. Then we print the length of name, then it will display as 11 is the length of knowledge 24. Then we print the indexing 1 of knowledge 24, then it will print n because 0, it will start from the 0 and then we will print the indexing negative indexing. So we will print minus 5 indexing, then it will print the d value. Now we apply the concatenation operator on cho cake, then it will display cho cake and we simply add 2 plus 3 number, then it will produce the result as 5. But when we write 2 and 3 as a string and we use the plus sign, then it will display result as a 2, 3. Then we use the replication operator. So 2 into good as a string, then it will display the output as 2 times good, good. And it is different from multiplication, so we use 2 into 3, then it will display the result as 6. Then we use membership operator in on the string knowledge and we find K and O, then it will produce the result as true. Then we use not in operator on the string knowledge, and in this we have to find K and S. So it is not available, so it will produce the result as true. Thank you.